This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Catherine Winters. Take the 3D tour. Stunning location for this Bimini model by Kolter Homes with a triple split bedroom floor plan on a premium, half-acre, cul-de-sac lot bordering the natural wetland preserves. Owners widened the paved drive for additional parking. Suspended storage racks in the 3-car garage. The backyard sanctuary is fully fenced with mature hedges for ultimate privacy from neighbors on each side. Big side yard for pets and lawn games. The extended screened patio has plenty of space to gather family and friends. Gorgeous custom pool/spa beckons you to relax. The interior is filled with lovely finishes. The 5-crown molding and baseboards make the living areas pop. Plantation shutters. The culinary kitchen with gas cooktop will delight the chef. Espresso stained wood cabinets anchor the eye-catching tile backsplash and granite. The primary suite, also trimmed in crown molding, is generously sized with private patio access, 2 walk-in closets, soaking tub and walk-in shower. Generator 2. For more information, review the details below or contact Catherine Winters at 772-692-8839.